Hello everyone. Let's start with our new technique. This is multiplication by 9 case 3. We have already done multiplication by 9 case 1 and 2 where we got equal nines and more number of nines. This time we will be having less number of nines. Okay. So nines are going to be less than the number of digits in the multiplicate. Let's see an example. Say the question is 245 245 times 99. Here we see that the number of digits in multiplicand are 3, but the number of nines in multiplier are just 2. So what we will do, we will divide our answer in two parts. In first part, we will count the number of nines and leave as many digits. Like here, there are two nines. So we are going to leave these two digits and the remaining, which is 2 in this case, is to be increased by 1. It is called as Ekadhikain Purvain, which in English means one more than the number. One more than the number. So we get 2 plus 1 equals to
3.
So we will be subtracting 3 from this number to get our LHS. 245 minus 3 is
242.
yeah.
240.
This is our LHS. For RHS, we will apply all from 9 last from 10, which you already know. All from 9s last from 10 to only those many number of digits as there are 9. Here there are two nines. So we will apply all from 9 last from 10 to only two digits. 9 minus 4 is 5.
5.
10 minus 5 is 5.
5.
So our answer is 24255.
Kapil sir, I did not understand the LHS.
Okay, LHS says that count the number of nines and leave as many digits. The remaining number has to be increased by 1 and then subtracted from the whole number. So this is 245. Here there are two nines, so I have left these two digits. This 2 is increased by 1, so it becomes 3. And I have subtracted 3 from this number.
Oh, okay. Now I got it. Thank you.
Very nice. Thank you.
I have a question.
Yes.
How did you get this 3?
How did I got this 3? Okay, that's what I was telling. This is 2. So I have to increase this 2 by 1. So 2 plus 1 becomes 3. Got it?
Yeah.
Fine. Let me take more examples. Let the number be 1368 times 99. So here I divide my answer in two parts, LHS and RHS. I will count the number of 9 here. There are two nines, so I will leave these two digits. The remaining number has to be increased by 1. So 13 plus 1 becomes
14. 14.
14, and I have to subtract this 14 from here. Getting it?
Yeah.
So when I subtract 14 from here, I will get 1, 3, 5, 4. Isn't it?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And here I will apply all from 9 last from 10 to only two digits. 9 minus 6 is,
3.
and 10 minus 8 is,
2.
2.
the complete answer is 135432.
Yes.
Got it? Got it, Sindhura?
Yes.
Got it, Shishti?
Yes.
Got it, Bishwesh?
Yes.
Soom, what about you? You were few minutes late. Have you got?
Yeah, I caught up really quickly. I did the first problem and then I know how to do it.
Okay, you know how to do it. That's great. So I will be solving few more questions before I give you questions to practice. Let us take the other way around. If the number is 7512 times 99, okay? So here, when you counted this 99, you got that there are two digits, so you left these two digits, and now this 75 is increased by 1, it becomes 76, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So you have to subtract 76 from this number. So you start from RHS. This is 2. So you carry 1 from this. This becomes 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. This again becomes 0. You carry 1 from here. This becomes 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. And then 4, 7. Did you got this? You know subtraction. You can try.
Yes.
Yes, you can try here as 7512 and your conventional method. Although I will be teaching subtraction technique also in our later classes, but right now you can use your own conventional method. This becomes 12, 12 minus 6 is 6, this becomes 10, 10 minus 7 is 3. You have given a carry 1 here, so this is 4, 4 minus 0,
Yes.
7
Yeah.
minus 0.
The answer is
So this is 7436. This is clear to everyone. So
Yeah.
now the second part, that is the RHS, it says all from 9, last from 10. So 9 minus 1, 8,
8.
and 10 minus 2,
8.
8.
8.
Getting it?
Yes.
Fine. One more problem from my side. This is 6832 times 99. Again, I have to subtract 69 from this number. When I subtract 69 from this number, I get 6763. And then all from 9, last from 10 to only two digits. Okay, so 9 minus 3, 6, and 10 minus 2.
8.
So the answer is 676368. All right. Please note down the technique.